Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to deactivate edge panels in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Edge panels means if you swipe from the right side near volume button, swipe from the edge to the screen towards the screen, there will be some shortcuts appearing. Okay, if you would like to turn off this or activate this shortcuts, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to display, then go to edge panels. Just to turn off this button edge panels so that it will not appear here if you swipe from the edge to the center of the screen. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily deactivate or turn off edge panels in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That is all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.